reason. I always try to help my parents. I make my bed every morning. I feed our cat. I walk our dog Spotty every morning. When I go to school, I take out the dustbin. In the evening, my parents cook. I set the table. After dinner, I clear the table. Then I wash the dishes. But it's Saturday today. We have a lot of other things to do. I will wash the floor. I will tidy up my room. My daddy will vacuum the floor. My mommy will dust the furniture. She will iron too. After that, we will do the shopping. I like it. Do you help your parents to do the housework?